Hello children, today we are going to do a very important part of linear equations, which is age-related questions. So the main concept which I want to explain to you is when a person is, suppose present age is X, okay? Now, if the age of the person 5 years before, so when it is mother and son, father and daughter, or whatever, two people, A and B, okay? If the present ages are X and Y, then 5 years before, if I want their ages, both of them will be reduced by 5. And if I say 5 years later, both of them will be increased by 5. So very common mistake which I normally see here is children change the age of one person. They forget to change the age of the other person. So now let's understand a couple of questions. Five years ago, A was thrice as old as B, and 10 years later, A shall be twice as old as B. What are their present ages? So, we don't know their present ages. So, assume, let present age of A be X and B be Y years. Now, 5 years ago, for both of them, 5 years ago, first, before going to the equation, first find the ages 5 years before. So 5 years ago, A was X minus 5 years old and B was Y minus 5 years old. Okay, now come to the equation. A was thrice as old as B. A was thrice as old as B. So if I make an equation, it is X minus 5 equal to 3Y minus 15 or X minus 3Y equals to minus 10. This is first equation. Second equation, 10 years later, again find out the ages 10 years later. So A was X plus 10 years old and B Y plus 10 years. Now, what is the relationship between the two? So they say 10 years later, A shall be, that means X plus 10 is equal to twice as old as B. So put it in bracket because Y plus 10 is one number. So you cannot write X plus 10 equal to 2Y plus 10. It is 2 times Y plus 10. So fully in the bracket. These are the small errors which I am pointing out. So if I simplify, this is the second equation. So we solve both first and second equation simultaneously. X minus 3Y is minus 10 and X minus 2Y is plus 10. So if I subtract them, we get minus X equals to minus 20 or X equals to 20 years old. This is the present age, which is A. And accordingly, what should be Y? I substitute the value in any of the two equations. X minus 3Y is minus 10. So 20 minus 3Y is minus 10. 30 equals to 3Y. Y equals to 10. That means A's present age is 20 years and B's present age is 10 years. I hope this is clear. So we continue with our next equation. The present age of a woman is 3 years more than 3 times the age of her daughter. 3 years hence, the woman's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of her daughter. Find their present ages. So before finding out both the values, assume, let present age, be very clear, let present age of woman be X years and present age of daughter be Y years. Now see, present age of woman, that means X, is 3 years more than X is 3 years more than 3 times the daughter's age. This is your first equation. X minus 3y equals to 3. Now 3 years hence. 3 years hence. What are their present ages? First find out the present ages. Present age of woman is equal to X plus 3 and present age of daughter is Y plus 3. Now what is the relationship? The woman's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of her daughter. So woman's age is equal to 10 years more than twice the age. Again, put it in bracket because age of daughter is Y plus 3. So this is another error. Children write 10 plus 2y plus 3, which is 2 into y plus 3. Now simplify the equation. This is equal to 2y plus 6 multiplied by both the terms. X minus 2y is equal to 16 minus 3, which is 13. This is second equation. Now let's simplify both the equations. So if the content is correct, if you make correct equation, which is not very difficult, understand the nuances of the equations, that's all. So when you subtract, the sign changes. You get minus y equals to minus 10 or y equals to 10. And substitute for x. In any of the equations, you have x minus 3y is 3. So x minus 30 equal to 3, x equal to 33. That means age of woman equal to 33 years and age of daughter is equal to 10 years. So very easy concept, children. If you have any doubts, you can let me know. Okay. Thank you.